3D printing can break through many limitations in jewelry production. How to produce wax models. After slicing the design file, save it and start printing. Stable machine components and precise light sources are key factors for good printing. Stable machines can continue production day and night and maintain batch consistency. Added night vision function, allowing you to easily observe at night. Why choose Wax Plus 210? The weight consistency of models in different positions on the same layout is high. The minimum design distance between movable parts can be 0.3 millimeters. It also has a very delicate surface under a magnifying glass. Modular design allows quick replacement of wearing parts, release film, LCD screen, etc., and quick leveling.